Afternoon, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Friday, December 15, 2023 on our planet. You are not going to be well starting tomorrow morning. So we now have the modeling and the data from the X2.8 flare and its coronal mass ejections, plural. That's going to be striking the planet. I'll take you through the numbers and the timing shortly. So, as I previously reported and suspected, we had 3 pop-offs, flares, from that region. One, two, three. Green circle is planet Earth. So even though this is going to be a glancing blow, we are going to be getting hit hard. And the plasma density will be up there. The solar wind speed, when it hits, is going to hit us abruptly. The solar winds will be approximately 700 kilometers per second, which is twice the average space weather solar wind speed. So let's go back, refresh our memory. One, two, three. Watch carefully. 4. They do not have the data updated for that 4th one that just went off. This is the region that I said several days ago when it was on this side to pay attention to. I give a forewarning for this group. So, and also, folks, okay, first we're going to take you through the timing. The timing is going to be, now I'll initially give the times in Universal Time, UTC time. I didn't give the time for the Pacific Standard Time, which is my region of Western Canada. So folks, this coronal mass injection impact is going to be Saturday the 16th at 1500 UTC time, which, if you're on the west coast of North America, will be 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. It will peak at its strongest at 1800 UTC time, or 11 a.m. west coast time, North America. It will subside at 0200 UTC time on the 17th, Sunday. So at my time, west coast, we minus 7 hours, so that'll be approximately 7 p.m. So this is actually going to be an 11-hour event. And again, our solar wind speeds, this is going to hit us all of a sudden, will be approximately 700 kilometers per second. However, folks, please remember the forecast modeling from the previous 2 M5.5 flares and accompanying coronal mass ejections. One is passing by us at this time, and as I said in my previous report, the plasma density was dissipating before impact. However, the second one is going to arrive and subside just before this one. Let's refresh our memory on that timing. The second CME from the M5.5 will start Saturday at 0100 UTC, otherwise tonight, West Coast time at 6 p.m. It will peak at 0700 UTC, midnight tonight, and it will taper off and end at 1500 UTC, 0800 hours, which is this time right here. So the M5.5 CME is hitting right here, just before this one. Let's not forget this, all right? fact, so we are already close to reaching radiation storm levels. This will be from the first M5.5 CME launched approximately 2 days ago. Now, at this time, please disregard the G1. When this thing slams into the planet Earth with the fast solar wind speeds, let's anticipate a G3 strong geomagnetic storm, possibility of spiking up to a G4. Which side of the planet? So the Americas, North America, Central America, South America is going to take the brunt of the CME impact. Now, yes, the density will wrap around the Earth, and yes, it will also hit the backside of the Earth, but the brunt of impact, starting tomorrow morning, planet Earth is the green circle. One, two, three. On the bottom is our radial velocity in kilometers per second. So we're in the red zone. So again, approximately 700 kilometers per second. It's not going to start off gradually, it's just going to slam us. So I will tell you folks ahead of time, for those on the West Coast, you're going to get an abrupt wake-up call tomorrow morning. So I'm 8 minutes into this video. I'll spend another 90 seconds. I'm going to quickly go through once again what we're going to affect on our brains, our neurological. First of all, neurological, typical during coronal mass ejections, geomagnetic storms. We are going to feel some headaches and migraines, including those who are not predisposed to having migraines and headaches. They may be frontal lobe. It could be stabbing temporal lobe. You're going to feel dizziness, vertigo, feeling of just general unwell, possibly tinnitus, ringing in the ears. You're going to have joint pain, possibly some gastrointestinal disturbances. Please pay attention to anybody who has multiple sclerosis, arthritis, and especially any heart issues. Neuropsychological effects. Let's try and be nice to each other tomorrow. No saltiness, lots of sugar, sweetness, mood swings, irritable, argumentative, irrational. You can have racing thoughts or brain fogging, blanking out. Expect some behavioral changes, easily triggered. In the extreme cases, violence and rage. This will affect our cognitive abilities, or cognitive functions, or learning and memorizing, decision-making, creative thinking, speaking, problem-solving, reasoning. All these may be affected. Once again, as I keep on saying, please pay attention to any of those with mental health conditions, ADHD, autism, schizophrenia, etc. And you know me, I'll be back tonight. We'll go through all this once again. So finally, so this is our CME impact, our plasma density. Solar wind speed, it's going to start off from about 400. Then all of a sudden it's going to gain an additional 300. It's going to be approximately 700 kilometers per second. We do not know at this time how far south the aurora is going to be. I would appreciate any input. Actually, we're not going to see it in the Americas. So sad. Anyway, that's it for now, folks. I'll be back later on tonight.